Today's tutorial is going to be a very quick one. I just want to bring it to you real quick, the lesson I really learned in 2021. I've been on TikTok since October 2021, but like very consistent since October. And I learned how to straighten synthetic hair, guys. I didn't know synthetic hair could be straightened. I have watched a lot of YouTube videos and hair videos, and I didn't know. So I mean, we learn every day. So I just thought to bring it to you very quickly. This is a kind of like a very quick tutorial. It's not meant to be too detailed. So, but I really hope that you get it. Okay. If you don't get it, let me know. I'm going to do it again in my next videos that is coming up. So what I'm doing over here is I'm using the synthetic braid called S braids. If you have watched my previous videos, this is the same hair that I used, this same hair type that I used to braid my jumbo braids, and then I transformed them into knotless braids. I had about 4 packs, so this is another pack that I am using. And what I'm doing is I'm just trying to trim the ends so that everything is even if it is not equal. It will give me some kind of an even look. Okay, and when I was done, I just used my hairbrush to kind of comb through again and cut off the excess ends that were hanging on the hair. Now, before you straighten, make sure that your straightener is on low heat temperature so that you don't end up burning the hair. Remember, it is synthetic hair, it is not human hair, so you want to maintain it at a low heat as much as possible. And as you can see, my temperature is, you will not see the button, but then when I turn it down, it goes on low heat, and then when I turn it up, it goes on high heat. So basically that is what you need to do. And then you go ahead to section your hair in smaller sections, depending on the size of your straightener. If you have a very broad surface or a broad plate, you can have a much bigger section than mine, but because my straightener is a smaller one, I only have to do it according to the size of my straightener so that I can achieve the best look that I want for my synthetic hair. So basically all I'm doing here is making sure that I am straightening them into sections, and you can tell that this side is basically sectioned very well, and when you're combing through, it is so much way easier, guys. I didn't apply any heat to any grease or any oil or pomade into the hair pomade into the synthetic hair. I just did it like that. I didn't spray anything on it. And as you can see, this side is not straightened, but the other side, I have straightened the other side. And let me show you the difference. You can see the huge difference between the two. One is looking more slickier than the other one. So I went ahead to do it for the rest of the hair and quickly styled my hair. Beloved, dear ladies and gentlemen, emergencies can happen. I mean, I tried to record all of the procedure for this particular style, but I realized my camera was off. So all I am doing over here is just putting my hair into a bun, but then I did two side cornrows at my side, two cornrows at my side, and then I use my Jocelyn edge wax to kind of lay down my hair, and then I put it in a bun, and then I just um did my baby hairs, and now I'm going to attach my synthetic hair that I have straightened onto my hair. And the band that I used to secure it from the beginning is the same thing that I am going ahead to attach to my hair. And make sure that you are not tightening your hair so much, so tight that you would not be able to move your head. Okay, and I removed a section of the hair and started wrapping around my band. So basically all I'm doing is I took a section of the hair and then I started wrapping. I have no idea why this got to be glue has changed color. So anyway, what I'm using is got to be glue spray. It is not looking as it's supposed to look, but then it is got to be glue spray. And as I am wrapping around, when I do about 2 wrappings or 3 wrappings, then I spray some got to be glue spray on it to make sure that everything is secure. And with the remaining hair in my palm, what I use is I just wrap it around at the back, and then I use some bobby pins to secure everything together in place. Okay, I hope that you have gotten it. I am going to really do a very big next superfluous nice hairstyle my next time, so that you really see the process of me doing my hair band like my natural hair. Okay, as in my real hair. Okay, so don't worry. Let me know in the comments what you think about this hair. If you don't know me, if today is your first time, my name is Juliana Amoateng. I am on social media as Juliana Amoateng. You can search me on Instagram, TikTok, and everywhere as Juliana Amoateng, even on LinkedIn. Okay, Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more hair videos, and please like my videos and let me know what you think. If you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you so much for your support. So this is it. Hope you had a good time. Do watch out for my next amazing videos, guys. I promise this year is going to be great. Happy New Year. Bye. Love ya. Mwah.